Hello! Well, we're back at it again, and this time I'm going to replace the thermostat with exactly the same thermostat. I thought it'd be much easier. So it's just a matter of taking out the old one, undoing the wires, putting this one in, and then feeding we call it the capillary tube, an actual bulb, anywhere it's supposed to be under the machine. Well, let's do that. Right. Let's open the old one and see how the front comes off. There's the screw. Okay, that's the actual thermostat head. Let's just pull off the front. One screw, two screws, and a fascia. So that pulls off like that. Two screws. And this can come out, and this is already broken. Right, let's make sure we've got enough connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 on the back. Even if it is slightly bent. Thanks, Royal Mail. Okay. Black, black, brown, brown. As again, this is exactly the same model number as this one. They are exactly the same. Blue. Another blue. Two browns. And a red. And then throw that one away. I'll just unclankle this slightly. Now it's just a matter of feeding this capillary tube through that little hole back there, and then out and down into the bowls. Next we'll tip this up on its end so we can get to underneath. Oh, okay, it's down here. Right. Can you see it down in there, that bit there, that brass bit? That's what's to come out so we can put in the new bulb. Another 13. It's a 14. The whole thing's coming off. Okay. Alright, there's the whole brass bit that we just need that bit off so we can get the whole thing out, which I'm just going to do in the vise. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the thermostat capillary end tube thing fed round. I've got some PTFE tape. I'll give this a couple of wraps. That goes in there, that goes in like that, and that screws in the end. Nip that up. 16. 17. put another bit of PTFE on there and then screw it back into place. PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, if I remember correctly. Ah, I've done it in the wrong order. I should have screwed this in first and then screwed that in. Oh well, slagging it back off. Right, let's try again. Oh, is there even enough room to get this in there? Oh, are you kidding? Are you actually kidding? There's enough room with this wheel in the way. Right, plan B. Pause. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to put it in, but not tighten it, and then bend the whole thing round, like that, that's it, we're in. And then we'll tighten this back up. This isn't a great design, however. I don't mean the not fitting behind the wheel, I mean the capillary tube hanging below it, because that's obviously how the last one got broken off. And there's nowhere else for it to go. Right, electrodes. Right, as I was unable to get new electrodes that actually fitted, I've just modified these ones a little bit so they actually work. And they do work. So I've taken the diesel head out so you can actually see it working and going. So that's in. The igniter I still need to attach to something. But apart from that, it pretty much works. I thought I would just fire it up and let you see it burn diesel out in the air and not inside. So let's fire it up. Grab the lance. Stick us up a bit. Okay, now we can rebuild that all inside and put it all back together. By back together, I mean cable tie this capacitor onto there, mount the igniter so it's actually attached, put the rat's nest back in together, just tuck it in and screw it shut, hope for the best, and then get a, no, well, not put it back together, because get a real bit of flex of a decent length and make an actual proper flex for it. And then it'll be good to go. Right, I'm back with a nice big long length of 2.5mm squared flex, heat resistant stuff, because it's, well, it's next to hot things I suppose. So we're going to take out this blue wire from inside all the gubbins. Put it in here, put it back in there, and then put this, so I've already put the, what do you call it, strain relief guard thing, strain relief guard on that end, the other nut's still in behind in there, and then we'll bolt it together and it'll hopefully be a bit better than it was. So it's just a matter of following that wire through, undoing the ends, which I imagine are in this main switch here, and connecting this wire up. Easy peasy.